Hi guys, welcome back to Bulls and Bears Markets YouTube channel. And in this video today, we're going to be talking about the giants of the Nigerian stock market. If you remember in our last video, the weekly roundup, we talked about the fact that the market had more gainers than losers on 4 of the 5 trading days, but yet the market will close with a week-on-week loss. So this video explains how that can happen. Now, before we go any further, it is important that we explain an important financial term. This financial term is called market capitalization. Now, market capitalization measures the value and the size of a company. Now, we have 3 categories of market capitalization. Market capitalization is called market cap for short. Now, so if a company is valued at between $300 million and $2 billion, it's called a small cap company. If a company is valued at between $2 billion and $10 billion, it is a mid cap company. Now, if a company is above $10 billion, it's considered a large cap company. Now, market capitalization is calculated by multiplying total shares outstanding of a company by the company's share price. Shares outstanding is basically the number of shares a company has. So you take that and multiply it by the company's share price, and then you get the company's market capitalization. Now, this means that market capitalization is calculated every day, because share prices changes every trading day. So you have to calculate market capitalization on every trading day because of the changes in share prices. Now, it is important that I point out at this point that there is no company listed on the Nigerian stock market that is actually a large cap company. The largest company of Nigerian stock market is valued at $5 billion. So it is actually a mid-cap company. So the biggest companies on the Nigerian stock market are mid-cap and small-cap companies. We don't have a large cap company on the Nigerian stock market. Now, on the Nigerian stock market, we have 165 companies listed. We have 165 companies listed on the Nigerian stock market. Now, of this 165, 10 accounts for over 70% of total market capitalization. 10 of the 165 accounts for over 70% of the exchange's total market capitalization. And that just tells you that the Nigerian Stock Exchange is not deep enough. It's not big. We don't have a lot of large companies listed on the exchange. Now, of this 10, if 5 determine the direction of the market. What that means is that if these 5 companies should close in the reds, the market will close in the reds. If these 5 companies should close in the greens, the market will close in the greens. So that tells you, because the companies account for such a large percentage of the market's total market capitalization, they actually determine the direction of the market, and that is why you would have more gainers and losers, and the market will still close down because the biggest companies on the exchange closed down. Now, let's talk about those companies. What companies are the biggest companies on the Nigerian stock market? So these companies are the biggest companies on the Nigerian stock market. Number 1, of course, is Dangote Cement. Alhaji Dangote is the richest man in Africa as of today. So, of course, his company is the largest company listed on the Nigerian stock market. Now, Dangote Cement is the largest cement producer in the whole of Africa. It's the largest cement producer in the whole of Africa, and it is valued at 2.2 trillion naira. If you convert that to dollars, that's about $5 billion. So it is the largest company on the Nigerian stock market. It's basically the number 1 giant of the Nigerian stock market. Dangote is followed by MTN Nigeria. MTN Nigeria is a telecommunications company. It's a South African company, but they have a Nigerian arm. And they listed on the exchange in 2019, and it is valued at 2 trillion naira, which is also about $5 billion. So both are mid-cap companies. MTN is followed by Boa Cement. Boa Cement is should I call it a conglomeration of a number of cement companies. I think a number of cement companies merged together to form Boa Cement, and then they listed on the exchange in January 2020, and it is valued at 1.2 trillion naira. Boa Cement is followed by Airtel Africa. Airtel Africa is a telecommunications company, and it's valued at 1.1 trillion naira. Next is Nestle. Nestle Nigeria is valued at about 674 billion naira. So those are the top 5 companies listed on the Nigerian stock market. So if these five basically determines the direction of the market on any trading day. So if this 5, in fact, if 3 of these 5 should close down, the market will most likely close down for that day. And if they should if all 5 should close up, or even 3 of the 5 should close up, the market will most likely close up on that trading day. And that just tells you that the Nigerian stock market, the Nigerian economy as a whole, is still a frontier market. It's a developing economy. It tells you the structure of the Nigerian economy. The Nigerian economy is one that has more small medium enterprises than large corporations, and so that's why we don't have so many large corporations listed on the Nigerian stock market. Now, next to Nestle is Guaranty Trust Bank. So Guaranty Trust Bank is the largest bank on the Nigerian stock market in terms of market capitalization. So Guaranty Trust Bank is valued at about $503 billion. It's a small cap company, but it's the largest bank on the Nigerian stock market. Then Guaranty Trust Bank is followed by Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank is valued at about 369 billion naira. Next is Seplat. Seplat is an oil producing company, and it is valued at about 320 billion naira. Next is Stanbic IBTC. Stanbic IBTC is a South African bank, and they are valued at about 274 billion naira. Last is Nigerian Breweries. Nigerian Breweries is valued at about 216 billion naira. So these are the top 10 Nigerian companies. These are the top 10 listed companies on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. So these companies basically determine the direction of the market on each trading day. So now you know. So if you pick up a price list before even if you want to know what direction the market closed, just look out for the prices of this companies, the share price of these companies. That basically tells you whether the market closed up or down. So this explains why it is that we'll have more gainers and losers, and yet the market will still close with a week on week loss. So thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in our subsequent videos. If you have any questions, any comments, any other opinions, please drop them in the comment section. It'll be lovely to hear from you. We are big on feedback here. It will be nice to get feedback from you. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.